Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to remove labels on Google Maps. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Google Maps on your mobile device and tap on the icon to open it. Once the app opens up, to remove labels, locate and tap on the saved icon in the bottom menu bar. This will open a new page displaying your saved places. Within the labeled list, you will see the places that I have saved on Google Maps. Tap on the specific label you want to remove, such as home address or an other saved location. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located next to the label. From the menu that appears, select Remove Label. You will see a notification at the bottom of the screen indicating that the label is being deleted. Within a few moments, the label will be removed from your saved places list. And that's it. This is how you can easily remove labels from Google Maps. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.